Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around of this super clean 2018 Ford Explorer. Stock number is 7097. Let's give you this virtual video walk-around. This vehicle only has, get this, 8,900 miles. My gosh, I think I've walked farther than that today. No miles on this Explorer whatsoever, fully loaded as you're going to see on this virtual video walk-around. This has a clean Carfax history report. Has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Comes with Bluetooth capability, if you notice, the third row seating here in the rear. Backup camera, fully loaded, leather seats. All-wheel drive, also great for the weather that we get here in the Pacific Northwest with rain and some snow. You're going to love all-wheel drive capability. Notice the leather interior, absolutely a very comfortable, roomy ride here in the rear. Dual moonroofs, of course. And putting you in the driver's seat, you're going to notice all the controls. Look how comfortable that is. Heated seats are within arm's length. Easy access to everything. Rear camera, of course. Fully loaded, only 8,900 miles. This Explorer will not last. For more information on this one or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.